This is DJ.
DJ. Who taught you that?
Mark.
Who is Mark? Your friend?
Oh no.
Gary has given some lessons. The instructor is behind the training. Oh, what is he doing? Oh, he dropped something. I'm making a vlog of people who are making vlogs. And we are going for Church's Track. Going through the jungle. No, he's gone that way. Yeah. Oh, there he is. Let's have a look at another photographer.
Hang on, watch this and then we'll have a look. You know, we found where his house is. We could go down and have a look. It's just a bit further on.
Who?
Green Goblin, remember his house?
Yeah.
Remember I took the photo of him?
Well done. Now father jumped at the back. He's scared, it's downhill. And stay on this side, stay on the road.
No, you do it. I'll hold you from the back.
Bless you. Can you see?
Yeah. It's
Green Goblin? Okay. Okay, that's somewhere. It's Green Goblin's house. Interesting.
What we'll do is we'll go around the corner a bit and then we'll go down that little wee track into the paddock and we'll go back
Oh yeah.
through the paddock and that.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
Nature and the beauty. And then we'll be in Gary's farm again. Going. And show off. And he can reverse and he can park beside the other scooter. Beautiful view though. We are going. Oh, it's a sunny day. It's warm.
Here we go, we're away. He's having a great time.
To do reverse park beside Gary. Well done, Amay. You are only 6 years old and you're doing so good. So they have swapped it. Now Gary is on Amay's scooter and Amay is driving. Gary is on a little scooter with his father. Oh, he's looking at back at him. Oh. Okay. That's good. standing still, Anil.
Let's go close to them.
They will run. अभी भी खड़ी हो गई अपन देखी भी ऐसा नहीं देखी They're like, what is happening? Fresh mountain water.
Look how clean it is. Oh my god, it's very cold.
Must be. हट में बालकनी बना रखी है. Gary's hut. Gary,
Show them the hut.
he camps.
Turn the lights on.
Turn the lights on. See the little switch? There's a little one up the top.
Oh, it's range from 400 to 2,000 square meters.
Yeah.
Those are not cloud, that's snow. But that is cloud. No, that's not. That's all is snow. That is snow, that is snow. And it's so close.
Done a really good job with those videos,
Push that back up. And now you, now you pull it and run with it. No, pull now. Hang on, and go back. And now pull now. I'll do it.
Where should we go?
through this gate and then it's down to that gate.
So Amay had done something and the mobility scooter has gone wrong way. You don't race.
Let me take it out.
A lesson learned. So that's what Amay did.
Back it up. Just slowly back and you'll be fine.
We decided he was going to try for it.
Good. Do it. You're brave. He's going. Oh, well done. Good. That's how you learn. Ha.
What are they making there?
Come closer. In the summer, me I get the I can Mr. Negative, I can. Summer, me I get the I can.